Now it's time to make a simple Israeli couscous, which is an easy side dish that goes with everything. And it starts by adding a tablespoon of olive oil to a large saucepan. To that we'll add 2 cups of Israeli couscous. We're gonna cook this over medium heat for about 5 minutes until about half the grains of couscous look nice and golden toasted. Once the couscous is toasted, add half a teaspoon of salt and 2.5 cups of water. Now I'm gonna bring it to a boil, then reduce the heat to medium-low, put the lid on and let it cook for about 10 minutes until all the water is absorbed and the couscous is tender. The couscous has been cooking for 10 minutes and you can see that all the water has been absorbed and the couscous is tender. So now I'm gonna turn the heat off, put the lid on and just let it sit for about 3 minutes. It's been about 3 minutes, so I'm gonna take off the lid and fluff the couscous with a fork. Now I'm gonna add some scallions, some pepper, about half a lemon's worth of juice, I'm gonna mix that up, put the lid back on and set it aside. Thanks for watching. What'd you think? Leave a comment below and let me know what you're excited to cook this week. And while you're at it, hit that subscribe button. You can get today's recipes and more for free at our website, americastestkitchen.com/JuliaAtHome.